How to fix calendar not opening on Windows. Hey everybody, if you're facing the problem of calendar app not opening, this is how you can fix it. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and reset your date and time settings. You can do that by going ahead and clicking on the control panel. So if you have it on desktop, open it from there. If not, go to the search bar and simply search for control panel. Then make sure the view by is on category, and then go to clock and region. Change date and time. Now you're gonna have to go to additional settings. Then another window will pop up. Here, go to time, and then reset the time. So it will remove all the customization and remove the format as well, and it will completely reset it. Once that is done, you could just go ahead and close this out. And then you're going to have to reset the time calendar app from your settings. So just go ahead and open Start menu and then search for apps. It will directly take you to the settings and then go to apps and go to default apps and then find the calendar app here. So it should be mail and calendar together, but if you're not able to see it, you can just search for it. So let's just search for default app, calendar. You could just search for mail and calendar if you have it here. And then what you need to do next is just once you find the application, just go ahead and tap on the three lines. And if you're able to reset it from here, you could just reset the app. Now you can go back to apps, go to installed, and then try to search for it here, calendar. And once you find it, you could do the same thing here. Now, once that is done, you can just close this out. And the next thing you need to do is change the taskbar settings. Go to taskbar settings by right-clicking on the taskbar. And then from here, tap on the option for date and time. Now, you need to make sure to turn on the set up time zone automatically. And then it will automatically show the time, and you can show the date and time system tray. So if you turn this off, date and time will disappear from here. Now restart your PC and then turn the settings back on, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.